Where you going?
Out of wee drive. Got to go down Dumfries and Galloway. See if there's any waterfalls. Because nobody likes waterfalls. Apart from me.
Definitely.
Oh, it's the first waterfall. There's a couple here. Not too bad. Nice one there. Nice wee waterfall. Have you look a bit first? So you can find not much here. Can't even down there, obviously. But we'll check the other side and see. I think pictures were taken in there. And that bit of rock. So I'll head down there. Back to the water. Live. Camera. So this wee shot I set up, it's a portrait shot. Well, I can show you on this camera maybe. No, I doubt it, it's too bright. So I'll focus on the rock first. Then the other rock that's lit up. And then the bridge at the waterfall at the back. And if it's any good I'll show you the picture. Just change. So, took this picture. There's a scene is there, what it is. I'm using the ferns in the front here. Some foreground interest, hopefully. So, it works, so I'll let you see it. I'll let you see the picture. This wee picture. It's in the camera, but you can't see it. It's too bright. It's here in front of us. I've done it to get the rocks in. Get the waterfall and bridge in the background. Get some swirls in that water, a long exposure. And we'll see how that works out. And if it works out, I'll show you the picture. So, went for Newton Stewart, took the right turn, I don't know why. I ended up at Dunure Castle on the way home, so ended up Girvan, then Dunure Castle. So, this is Dunure Castle, I'll turn you around. It's up there, so I'm using for the rock there, maybe reflection up to the castle. 4 stack, I think. See how it turns out. If it turns out okay, I'll show you the picture.